In this video, we're taking a look at the ROCONIA 1080p 15,000 lumens projector. I'm going to tell you right now, this projector is well worth it, and the cost you will not believe. So this part of the video is just an unboxing video showing you everything that comes with it. The carrying case, super high quality, easy to take on the go. Has the cord for it, HDMI, the AV cables. I used a Google Chromecast in the video to show off Disney Plus while I was talking about it and showing the high quality usage of it. So if you want to skip ahead to where I'm giving my 2 cents on the matter, you can skip ahead to the 4:15 mark, and that is where I start talking about my thoughts on this projector. All right, so as you can see behind me, the movie is still playing and I have both my box lights on me, and it is still pretty doggone clear. The ROCONIA projector, I think, is well worth the money. So we're gonna look at a couple different options, because my goal is to never just sell you it on one platform, is to show you on multiple platforms where you can buy it for the best bang for your buck. And what I found with this projector is super strange. All right, we switched off of recording on my iPhone to recording on my computer here. So on Walmart.com, if you search ROCONIA 5G Wi-Fi Bluetooth native 1080p projector, this is the listing that's going to pop up. $129, originally $399. So a $400 projector that's on sale for $129. Now, when you Google ROCONIA projector, it pops up a bunch of different listings. The same website, Walmart.com, they took out the ROCONIA. This is the exact same projector listed for $99 with an original price of $139. Very strange that Walmart on the same website has the exact same projector listed at 2 different listings on the same website, just missing the ROCONIA. Now, when you look at like the pictures, there's a couple differences, but it is the exact same projector. Amazon
has got it listed at $109.99. Now, again, if you don't subscribe to Walmart Plus, now this is not an ad for Walmart Plus, but you can get it for $99 and free shipping, or you can go buy it for $109.99 on Amazon and have it the next day. Walmart is telling me May 11th, so that is a little bit further out. You could pay up the $129, and now Walmart with Walmart Plus is telling me it'll be here May 8th. So 4-day shipping. This will be the 11th. Today is the 4th. And then Amazon, I could have it here tomorrow morning. I order within an hour. So a couple different things. And then eBay. eBay's got it listed at brand new for $57.45. So if you really want to save some money, you go on eBay, buy that from Sunny Deals here with a 98.6% positive feedback and get it for $57, or you could buy 3 of them at $54 and then go sell them on Amazon for $109. So decent deal, couple different options of buying.
So that's super goofy that it's listed in 3 different websites, 4 different listings, and all different pricing other than, well, no, even, yeah, all different, 4 different listing prices. So you never need to just go to Amazon just because it's Amazon. You can go to walmart.com. You can subscribe to Walmart Plus, and then you get free shipping similar to Amazon. But my initial thoughts, I love it. So it's a $100 projector, give or take. The quality is very good. Now this is probably on a 55-inch TV, and there's even lighting. So even if I turn off my studio lights here, it's very high quality, very HD, and this is just streaming on Disney Plus. The one downside, because I'll never just go all in on it, the sound quality is not there. You definitely need a speaker. So we'll take it off mute here. And we'll try to turn it up here. So we're at 82 up in the corner. I don't know if you can see that. It's nothing crazy. So, I mean, it's a $100 projector. I mean, you could pair it up with a decent speaker, a $100 speaker, and you got a $200 setup. That, I think, would be worth it. But overall, we're going to try to put it, I'm going to put it on a bigger wall here in a minute to test it out. But $100, this is fantastic. And then when you put on sports or movies, it's even better. And you can take it anywhere. I don't have a TV behind me. I just have my wall. I don't even use the projector screen it comes with. This you could take out of the package and tack up to the wall. I just have a white background and it's fine. I would be more than comfortable watching sports or whatever the case may be on this TV with the projector running, or not even a TV on the wall, projecting it onto the wall and being more than happy with the quality. So here's the deal. I would probably recommend picking this up on Walmart. You're gonna get the same projector. I'll leave the link for Amazon. If you buy it through Amazon, I get an affiliate commission through them. So if you want to help me out, you can go buy it from Amazon by clicking my link. But if you want a better deal, shop around, look on Walmart, look on Amazon at the time of you watching this video. I just copy and pasted the ROCONIA thing into Google and just found like 6 different listings and all the different costs and affiliations with it. So Walmart had the better deal at $99.99. Same exact projector, just not the name on there. And then there's the same listing for Walmart with the name on there. And it's, what, $30 more? And the regular price is $300 or $400 as compared to $139. It's a very big difference.